In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Adobe Sign, an essential skill for anyone looking to give their documents a personal touch or meet professional formatting standards. This process is straightforward, and in the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step through the procedure to ensure you get it right every time. Let's get started. First, make sure you have access to a web browser and open Adobe Sign by navigating to the website. It's vital to use a browser that you're comfortable with and that runs smoothly on your device, because this ensures you won't encounter any unnecessary hiccups along the way. Once on the Adobe Sign homepage, go ahead and log in. Enter your credentials carefully. This is important as your security and access to documents depend on it. Next, you'll want to find the document you need to work on. Browse your files or locate it using the search function if you have many documents stored. Once you've found it, simply open the document and we'll proceed to the next step. Now that your document is open, identify the specific text field where you want to change the font. Focus on that section and then double-click on it. This action is crucial as it lets Adobe Sign know that you're looking to make edits specifically to this part of the document. Double-clicking brings up field properties. That's exactly where we need to be. You'll see a new menu pop up, and here, you should click on the Appearance tab. This tab holds the key to customizing how your text looks. Once you've clicked on it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options available. This area is designed to give you control over the visual aspects of your text, which is perfect for ensuring everything aligns with your stylistic or brand requirements. Within this tab, look for the section labeled Font. Here, you'll find the options to customize your text fully. You can select your desired font type, adjust the size to make your text stand out or fit neatly within the space provided, and decide on a color that complements your document's design or your company's signature style. This choice allows you to make your document not only professionally complete, but also pleasing to the eye. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the font in Adobe Sign. This simple yet effective customization can make a significant difference in how your document is perceived by others. Don't forget to review your changes for any necessary tweaks or adjustments, saving the document to ensure all your edits are stored securely. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.